I don't get the food. Now God doing. I go chop the food. Now God doing. Hi. I used to close the door because I don't want any somebody to disturb me. Now here I go stop and chop my food. Hi. Food now wow. Hi. This Nigeria now super for Nigeria. Hi. Now here I go chop my food. Who's knocking the door? I have somebody knocking the door, but nobody talk. Which can be this one? God go punish you. Who did there? Let me go and check who did there. Let me go and check.
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
Hello, hey.
Jesus.
Who's knocking the door? I just seen somebody. I don't know check my food. Somebody come knocking the door. I shout to who did there. I don't see anybody for outside. Let me go back and continue my chopping food. Kiriko, what did they do for here?
Run.
What did make you to chop my food? Oh, now wow.
Yeah!
I don't they talk to you for chopping my food. You don't they gazing eyes for me, Kiriko. This food now morning and day and night food for me.
I'm not gonna give you. Yeah, my own.
No.